Hi, Patricia here, and I have a question for you. How can you create rapid wealth? Now, before we get into that, I want to speak about wealth. Frankly, anyone can become wealthy if they say live below their means and willing to save. Eventually, after saving for 20 years and so on, they'll be wealthy. Now, I'm not even suggesting not to cultivate the habit of saving, but I just think that there are better ways to do it. In other words, there are surely better ways to accelerate your wealth creation. You see, there are many platforms and methods out there to create wealth, but I want to share with you the three key factors, or should I say the three key secrets. If you have these three factors on top of applying proven methods, I can only predict that you'll be wealthy in no time. So with that said, let's dive to the first factor. Factor one is internalization. You got to get the internal part of you congruent. What you believe in. You got to believe in what you do. You have to be congruent with it. Let me explain to you the scientific explanation why this is so critical. First, you need to understand a simple rule. In order for you to create wealth, there must be a quote-unquote transaction. A transaction where a value is transacted. The value could be a quote-unquote product. Now, I personally create wealth by starting and growing businesses. So we have products. We sell products. So if you are doing the same, where you have products or you're selling someone else's products as a commission base, you got to be selling really awesome products. Otherwise, not only people won't buy from you, even if you have successfully sold it, your success is short-lived because you'll be sabotaging yourself at subconscious level because you're not doing the right thing. To get congruent with the products you're selling, it's extremely easy, and that's the good news. Use the product yourself. If you love it, you have no problem to internalize it within you to sell successfully and of course profitably for your business. Factor number two, partnerships. This is so powerful and it shocks me that so many entrepreneurs are not leveraging on this at all. So what is partnership? Well, this can be a form of a team. I mean, you only have 24 hours a day. There is that much you can do. When I talk about partnership, I'm not referring to employees. In fact, if you can, don't ever go to that route. My suggestion is, if you can, you do not even want to have employees, if you can. In partnerships, you look after each other. For instance, in the passive wealth group, I have partners. My role is being a strategist, developing wealth creation systems, and producing content. Whereas my passive wealth partners, they help with the marketing and the training and supporting the new students. Then from there, we create a system where it's a win-win relationship and we'll grow together as partners. Your goal to create wealth is to find a medium, a platform where partnership can be existed. And if you try hard enough, I'm sure that you will find such opportunity for yourself. Factor number three, the internet. I think we live in an amazing time when there's this internet going on. There are so many advantages and benefits that the internet brings to the table, but let's stick to the term rapid. Since this video is about rapid wealth. You see, the internet allows you to reach a lot of people and also at the same time. For instance, this video you're watching, if I'm not using the internet, it can only be presented to X amount of people in a seminar or a room. But now, thousands can see it and they can even see it together. Imagine if you're selling a product. Would it be faster to sell it in a shop or have an online shop? You see what I mean? Other than this, the most obvious advantage is your market. Today, with the internet, the world's your market. Find a product you can sell over the internet and make sure you love it. Then form partnerships to grow the business together with you. You can learn the steps later on. What's more important is that you now understand the secrets, the three factors. So now you know the secret how I create rapid wealth. Take the short quiz below to see how well you're using these three factors to your advantage. Then you'll know why you're creating wealth so rapidly or you're not. Rate yourself from 0 to 10. Number 1. Do you believe in the product you are selling? Rate 0 to 10. Now, seriously, is the product truly giving value to them where it really helps them? Again, rate 0 to 10. Are you working alone or there are others helping you? Now, before you answer this second question. If yes, are there partners who do not take salary but only benefits if the business grows? Then that is true partnerships. Rate 0 to 10. Next question, are you using the internet for selling and marketing? If you do, are you getting any sales? Because ultimately, it's not just about doing, but getting the result. If your result is not satisfactory, perhaps it's time you should consider other options to create wealth. With that said, this is Patrick Chan here. I hope that you have benefited from this training today. Take care.